you are looking to scale your AI clip art business to multiple six figures and go beyond Etsy sales, what I need for you to do is turn the volume up because I'm going to break down how to scale your AI clip art business beyond Etsy so that you are able to continuously get sales and grow and monetize your business even while off the Etsy platform. So, what you first want to do is after we've done the listing and you have customers now coming to your shop, because this is the last part in the AI creatives monetization framework, is to scale your business. But this is also one of the most important and crucial parts. You want to make sure that you're giving them a thank you PDF. So take this as an example, which I have this available inside the shop, which I'll show you where you could get this from, and I'll also leave a description below. But this here is a thank you PDF for your order. And what you simply want to do is you want to obviously have the graphic or illustration. I always like to put that illustration of the listing mockup here in this box to what people purchase so they know. And then you want to have that download button. And inside of this download button is going to be the link to your actual Google Drive or your Dropbox, wherever your files are, which I have a video as well on here that talks about how to deliver your PDF files to your customers. So no worries, got you covered on that. And then here's a very crucial part. What you want to do here is you want to give your customers a way to get in contact with you besides Etsy. And I call this incentivizing your actual customers. So you want people to be repeat customers, and a way you incentivize them is you give them something for free so they could continue to come back to you. Now, you could do this lead magnet in many ways, and I'm going to break down what a lead magnet is. So a lead magnet, just think about it's a way to get people to become attractive to you. And all a lead magnet is simply you giving someone something and they're giving you something in exchange. So it's typically a name, a phone number, something of that nature. And there are so many different types of lead magnets you could do. You could do a subscription. You can do a membership. You can do a newsletter. You can do a PDF file with information that will help show your customers how to use their designs. There's so many different ways. But I also want to go to ChatGPT just to show you how easy it is so you can build this out. So I want to create a lead magnet for my customers for my AI clip art business. And this is what you can do. Please give me a list of ideas that will keep the customers coming back. Of course, you could be very much more specific, and then you could say like my primary customer are customers are females, and then you could go in. Now you could be more specific with the age, the demographics, all those different things, but what I'm showing you is that you can use ChatGPT. I am using the paid version. However, ChatGPT 4.0 is available in a free version as well. So here is something that you could do. So free clip art bundle. So you could also offer them a free clip art bundle. You could offer them a friendly planner idea. So it should make sense for whatever it is that you're selling in your store, a how to sell digital guide, clip art and branding guide for small businesses, monthly freebie club, all of these different things, Etsy seller clip art kit. So you VIP discount pass. I really like that for subscribers only. So that's nice. So let's say we take this monthly freebie club. So what you would do is you would add that here. So you would say, join my monthly freebie club to receive free clip art that you can use for commercial use, and you would go ahead and have a sign-up page. Now, the way your sign-up page would look would be something similar, which I'm going to show you. Now, you want to get a domain, and you could get a domain from sites like GoDaddy.com or Namecheap.com. There's a bunch of different places of where you could get those sites. But what it would look like is something like this. So when we talk about going beyond, it's about having your own domain. So here is my own domain, creationsmadesimple.com. And here's where you could purchase that thank you file as well. But here's also where you could sign up for the free clip art as well. So here are different things for purchase. And here is the thank you file as well. So if you want to purchase a thank you file, you could do that as well. But here is where I send individuals to also sign up for the free monthly freebie. So you could put that inside of your store and you could have it here for people to sign up. And then as we get into that, and here it is right here. So here's the freebie clip art every Friday. So grab these designs every Friday for you to use. Sign up to get your free clip art. So I include this at the end of all my thank you files because I want to have a way to incentivize. But what I want to know is if you are getting massive value from this video and you want to learn how to scale your AI clip art business to make an extra 4, 5, or 6 figures a year or a month, go ahead and comment clip art because I want to help you because I have an exclusive program that is invitational only specifically for you all tuning in that I want to share with you. So now that we know how to scale, we're sending them the thank you file. The next thing we want to do is we want to take our best listings and we want to put them on our own website. So as you can see here, it's a simple copy and paste duplicate of what you have in your store. So I take the best listings that are doing well, but here's a key component. Come closer. The key component here is you also want to put exclusive designs only where people can find you on this specific website, and you want that to be known. And you're going to send out weekly newsletters to your subscribers, and you can create newsletters in places like Canva. So here's an example of a newsletter that I send out every single Friday when you sign up. And of course, you can sign up because you get a free piece of clip art every Friday. So this is my way of thanking the individuals from purchasing from me, but also incentivizing them to scale beyond Etsy. Because guess what? You don't own the information. You don't own the data. And if something, God forbid, happens to your shop, you want to be able to have a way to still get in touch with your customers. So now that you have your newsletter, now that you have the individuals on your email list, now you're able to constantly send them things. Now you could also help build your emails newsletters through here. And what I suggest is you could talk to your newsletters. So if you go to a site called voicecontrol.chat, you can install this voice control so that way instead of you typing, you can talk. And what I suggest is that you use this blue microphone here and you create in your own brand voice a writing sample. So you let the chat know that you're going to include a writing sample and you want the chat GPT to use this writing sample to curate and create your emails. So in this case, I'm going to say, because mine is already trained for the most part, I'm going to say, write me a welcome email for my subscribers who sign up to receive and then we went with the monthly. No, we're going to do weekly because we want to keep them weekly freebie clip art because you want to keep them coming back. So now it's going to write you a welcome email. So it's going to tell you what you can say. Hey, you're officially a part of the exclusive group that gets premium AI clip art for free every week. Because y'all know what we do. It's free. And here's what you can expect. You can expect a new AI generated clip art freebie in your inbox every week. Tips on how to use it, exclusive subscriber only discounts. And then you could also put a code with your website. So now people are directed to your website of what they could use. And you want to make the code specific so you know where your traffic came from. So you could make it, like just whatever is specific. So it could be VIP 20 and like everybody that has the code VIP 20, that they are coming from either Etsy or directly from your website. Now you would take this and you would put this inside of the newsletter like here. And then also for me, I always include different ways on how you could use clip art because not everybody knows. So you could use it for journals, mugs, and all different things. And I have an exclusive set that I send to individuals and show them how to use it, or sometimes I just give them tips so they'll know how to use it. So now that you have that, now I know you're probably wondering, like, well, where can you build your shop? Okay, so my shop is built on Shopify. However, here are a couple free sites that I want to, well, not free. This one is a free site. So payhip.com is a free site. So you can create and sell and build a store here. And you could go to themes so you could check it out. As you can see, really nice stores that you can see here. So you can look at all the different ones and you could preview them and you can see what's on here. So you could totally sell your clip art on here on a page like this, and see they have different ones. Knitting courses, you can sell anything on here, but it's free. Now it's free, but there is a caveat to it. So for the free plan, they do take a 5% transaction fee, as you can see here, but then you have the other two plans. The next one that you could do is Shopify, which is the one that I have. So let's talk about Shopify pricing. And then they do have like 30 days free usually, or something of that nature. So be sure to type in like Shopify promos or deals. So here it is, start free and then enjoy $1 for 3 months. So you can do that. Here's a different plan. So you have the basic, which is what I suggest. You start off with the basic plan, and this is the yearly. If you pay monthly, it's $39. So I suggest you start off with this plan. It tells you it takes all of these different transactions, and the higher you go, the less your transaction fee is. And all of these sites, with the exception in which PayHip does, but it's just you have to use the integration to do automatic emailing, they all have a way to set up an email. And then the last one is Stan Store, which you may have all heard of before. So Stan Store is a really good site as well. It's a newer platform, but a lot of creators are on it. So they give you a 14 days free trial. The pricing is here and it tells you everything. So you have a creator account and you have a creator pro account. And these are all the things. Now you could do lead magnets, landing pages, a bunch of different things on here. If you have a Stan Store, and you could build your store out on here. Here are tons of reviews, and Stan Store is super popular. So a lot of people use Stan Store, but like I said, I use Shopify because that's just what I was most familiar with. But I would certainly either use PayHip or Stan Store. If you don't have a huge budget, you just want to start off with PayHip, you can do that as well. Like I said, it's free. So those are the 3 different sites that you can use once you get your domain, and you could connect it to here in order to start building out your AI clip art store. But that is how you go beyond Etsy and how you start to create multiple 6 figures in your business, because now you're able to offer an array of different products like you see here. But not only that, your followers are able to get more from you, and they also get exclusive access, and they get codes like you can see here. I always have a sale running on the store, and you can also make your prices higher as well on here and have exclusive access only to different type of listings. So you can see here on my store, I don't have the PDF thank you files like on Etsy store and different things like that. And I'm also able to email my customers and incentivize them and really get to know them and interact with them. And that's what I love most about Scaling Beyond. So if this is something that you're interested in, I do have an AI clip art program that I would love to invite you all to, and I'll leave that in the description as well. So just go ahead and comment clip art below. But here's what you get. You get 5 months exclusive access with me, and it's only for a limited time only. And I'm going to teach you how to make your first 4, 5, or 6 figures online with your own AI clip art store using these strategies below. So if you love this, comment clip art, and don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe.